Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to turn off auto-dubbing on YouTube as a viewer. So pretty much auto-dubbing is a new feature that was implemented on YouTube that pretty much allows you to choose a different audio track for the video. So I actually wasn't able to find many videos. I just searched up some that have the dubbing, only this one. So as you can see, if we go to the settings and you have this audio track button in here, that allows you to translate the original track, audio track of a certain language to a different one, right? So as you can see, we have how many? About 7 or 8 languages in here, something like that. Oh no, there's actually more, about 10 or something. And if you just switch it, you will have a different audio track playing back the audio. So if you want to turn it off, pretty much what you need to do is to just enable the original, right? And this will also solve a problem with every video that has a dubbing, playing a video in a sound that you don't need. So the YouTube player remembers your chosen audio track, and the next time you open a video, it will be chosen as original. So as you can see, for example, if I open up this video, there's no dubbing. Also this cool video, also no dubbing, as you can see. So it just depends on the video, but in general, you go to the player settings, audio track, and choose original. So enjoy guys, this helped you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.